Now from the Market Watch you can open up new charts. So moving into the Market Watch, I'm going to open up a new chart of the Euro Australian dollar. Now just before I do, I'm just going to click on that, left click. Anything you want to chart and trade, put your mouse on it, it needs to say trade for. If it says trade no, you can chart it but you can't trade from the chart. So anything that you want to chart and trade, make sure you do get the little box popping up saying trade for. Okay, now to chart a new symbol or new currency pair from the Market Watch, right click on the symbol, come down the chart window and left click, and that will open up a new chart for you. Now it tells you in the top left corner what the currency pair is, Euro Australian dollar, and it also tells you down at the bottom on the chart tab. Okay, so that's how you can open up a new chart from the Market Watch.